Controversial and self-imposed interim Secretary General of the Citizen Coalition for Change, Senzo Chabangu, has abruptly withdrawn his support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's third-term bid, declaring that his faction will oppose any constitutional amendments to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028. Sanapinda mashoko atakuona kuti panguva inoi aiwa Chabangu amene kuti ari kuyachirivira vanhu nhema here aiwa achiti akuda kuopoza aiwa 2030 agenda nekurega kusapota mutungamiri wenyika. Sanapinda mashoko mudanyuka panapa uri subscribe or like out on the bell kuti mina musimudanyura chiti. This announcement comes just weeks after Chabangu publicly endorsed Mnangagwa's potential third term during a high-profile visit to the presidency farm in Sherwood, Quebec. His previous stance had drawn sharp criticism from opposing figures who accused him of betraying the democratic cause and aligning with the ZANU-PF's authoritarian ambitions. However, following a meeting with the Speaker of National Assembly, Jacob Mutenda, Chabangu has reversed his position. In a statement issued by his spokesperson, Nobilis Sita Lelo, denounced the third-term agenda as repulsive and repugnant, arguing that it is incompatible with Zimbabwe's democratic aspirations. Chabangu's abrupt shift has raised eyebrows, with critics questioning his sincerity and political motivations. Many believe that without the backing of state institutions, he would not have been able to seize control of CCC, leading to suspicions that he remains indebted to ZANU-PF. Ndomashika mudanyuka panapa aiwa tinofana Chabangu wauya withdraw chiti aiwa hatichasapoti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika for third term, but tiona panapa is acting like he is playing vanhu, ari kuda kuzama kuchava nemurinzi vanhu, uda kuti iye he already endorsed mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe kuti aiwa ngaapinde mu 2030. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section menu, tsona subscribe or like